Before video games, the pinball machine reigns supreme. The action is real and not on a screen. You pull a plunger and get the ball rolling. You hit flippers and navigate bumpers, all to the clamour of clanging bells and flashing lights. No wonder it's not yet game over for pinball. The game of pinball is unprogrammed and unpredictable. Reams of wire make up the pinball machine's electronics. There's more than 3/4 of a kilometre in one model. Different types of colour-coded wire are used. They're wound around pins and attached to the connectors on the circuit board. There's a detailed set of instructions and an engineering drawing to keep things from getting in its angle. The wires are removed in loosely tied bunches. This allows them to move freely as the tips are soldered together. Not all wires are soldered. Others get attachments called lugs. These are crimped onto the ends of the wires with a hydraulic machine. These lugs will be used to connect wires to attachments on the playfield. The cable is hooked up to a testing board and every circuit is checked. The playfield, adorned with colourful art, is placed onto a bed of nails with foam strips. The nail bed rises and presses against the header. The nails prick the back of the board, but the foam strips stop them from going through. These nail holes will serve as markers for installing pinball targets and tactical features on the playfield. Next, a few holes are drilled, and the playfield is covered with a metal template to drill more holes. These will be used to mount some of the pinball gadgetry onto the playfield. Anchors are hammered in to attach the metal railings that keep the silver balls from rolling off the playfield. There's a lamp post, followed by some plastic bumpers. 115 flashing lights are installed. Now it's time to permanently attach all that wiring. Some are soldered directly onto the board, others are fused to switches. A speaker is bolted into the cabinet for some major sound effects. The spring-powered plunger goes in next. Without it, you couldn't take your opening shot. A toy villain is attached. And a ramp in the shape of a sword is added, along with a few other toy characters. The ball is run into every target and mechanism to test the switches. There can be up to 70 switches in a game. Every button is pressed as a computerized system diagnoses any malfunctions. Nothing is overlooked. If everything works, the playfield is then slid into the cabinet. It gets a shatterproof window because it could take some abuse from enthusiastic gamers. A metal bar is used to lock it all down. Finally, the header is mounted and this pinball machine is wired and ready for action.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up